Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold panel on your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the old panel. Prepare the new manifold panel for installation by transferring the end caps from the old panel to the new one. With the end caps in place, align the new manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. You will now need to install new control knob bezels on the panel. You can place the bezel in an alignment tool so the locating tab aligns with the red marking on the bezel. This will help you to position the bezel so it is centered over the valve stem. With the bezels installed, replace the control knobs. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.